In today's video, I'll be sharing one of my perfect cake recipe, and it's going to be pineapple upside down. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to prep this. I'll be using this for my pineapple upside down. First, I'm going to get some butter in it, and I'll take you through the process. I'm just going to put some butter in this. Just grease him a little bit. You can use any butter, whatever butter you have, just use it. I'm using Flora at the moment. So next up, I have some pineapple here, but the thing is, these they're a little bit too big to go in the hole. So I'm going to use a cutter. I'm going to use a small one, just to cut it to the size I need it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to cut about 6 of this, or about 7 of them. So these are finished, cut out. So the next process, I'm going to load them in the muffin pan. And also I'm going to do some peach upside down also. So I'm using a cup of peach also. So we're just going to cut them in wedge. We're going to go ahead and put a cherry in the middle of this. So get yourself a bowl, some good quality butter. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the microwave and melt it a bit. So now you have your butter melted. Add your sugar. So now we're going to cream him. And add some vanilla in. Now we're going to add our flour in. Baking powder. I'm going to add a little bit of salt in this, just for contrast. And that to give it a little bit of balance. So I'm just going to use a small ice cream scoop for this. Probably about 2 scoops each. So with this now, I'm just going to knock it down a bit. Then I'm going to put them straight in the oven. So now the pineapple upside down is ready, finished bake. So you need to leave it probably about 5 minutes, then turn it over to get a perfect result. So I'm just going to put them on a baking tray now, turn them over and let it cool properly.